Welcome, my name is Javier Pardo. This is my video for the English subject. So let's start with the evolutionary products in software analysis and development. Okay, evolutionary products in software analysis and development. That what includes version control system. For example, Git. That was evolutionary and it has undergone continuous improvements in here. User interfaces, performance, and additional functionalities over time. Also, we can mention integrated development environments like IDEs, such as Visual Studio Code. That was evolutionary because they have evolved through the editing of extensions and the enhancements in the developer productivity and the incorporation of the new technologies. Well, agile methodologies like Scrum. That was a very evolutionary over the years, and agile methodologies have been adopted and refined to address improvements in communication, collaborations, and continuous delivery. Of course, we can include development frameworks like React, that was in JavaScript, that was evolutionary, that they are regularly adapted to the address of new trends, provide enhanced features and optimized performance. Well, revolutionary products in software analysis and development. Well, let me move a little the camera. Okay. Docker was a container. Was transformed the way of the application are deployed and managed, enabling portability and consistency across different environments. That is really a revolutionary way that because before of the implementation of Docker, the things really needs to change because the way of we can install different applications in different kind of environments, and system application is really revolutionary. Of course, we have microservice technologies that alter the architecture of the applications, allowing independent development and deployment of the services. We have continuous integration platforms like, for example, Jenkins, was automated and optimized the process of the continuous integration and delivery. This was significantly enhancing development efficiency. And of course, we have the machine learning development. This is some kind of the most modern, introducing machine learning capabilities into the software development, enabling the creation of smarter and predictive applications. Well, let me move the camera. Okay. Well, on this topic, we can talk about the cultural variation can have a significant impact on the function of software analysis and development. Here are some areas where these variations can influence. For example, the direct versus the indirect communication culture. In some cultures, direct communication might be more valued, while in others, indirect communication might be preferred. This can affect how ideas are expressed and received in software development, of course. Also, we have hierarchical versus the participative cultures. In development environments, hierarchical cultures can influence how decisions are made and the responsibilities are defined, while the participative cultures might encourage greater collaboration in decision making. Well, in the present-oriented versus the future-oriented culture, in some cultures, the punctuality might be an utmost importance, while in others, a more relaxed perspective of the time might be held. This can affect the planning and the execution of the software development projects. The individualistic versus collectivistic cultures, the cultures that value individuality may favor independent work, while collectivistic cultures might emphasize the importance of the teamwork and close collaborations. Let me move the camera. Okay, individualistic versus collectivistic cultures, and that was the last we explained, and the traditional versus innovative cultures. In environments where the tradition is valued, there may be resistance to adopting new technologies or innovative approaches, while more innovative cultures may embrace change and experimentations. Let me move the presentation. The high respect for authority versus the flatter cultures. The perception and respect for authority can vary. In some cultures, hierarchy may be more rigid, while in others, more importance might be given to the experience and skills. The high ambiguity tolerance versus low tolerance cultures. The willingness to face ambiguity and adapt to employment change then vary by culture, impacting the agility of the development team. Finally, the emphasis of perfection versus the pragmatic cultures. The perception of what constitutes kids' quality work might differ. Some cultures might prioritize perfection, while others might value timely and functional delivery. Well, there are some conclusions of the evolutions of the aspect of software development with the technology. Let me move again the camera. I'm making... yes. The process of automation. The continuous evolution of tools that technologies in software development is leading to increased process automation. Repetitive tasks such as testing and deployment are becoming increasingly automated, enhancing efficiency and reducing the human errors. Continuous integration and continuous deployment is also known as CI and CD. The emergence of the CI and CD tools has transformed the way applications are developed and tested and deployed. Continuous integration and deployment have become standard, enabling faster and more frequent deliveries of high-quality softwares. Finally, the adoption of agile methodologies. Technology has facilitated the widespread adoption of agile methodologies in software development. Development teams can respond more quickly to changes, improve collaboration, and deliver functional software in shorter iterations. The cloud computing. Obviously, the cloud computing has revolutionized the infrastructure and resource management in software development. It provides scalability, flexibility, and access to cutting-edge computational resources without the need for the significant investment in hardware. Okay, let me move. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. The integration of the artificial intelligence and machine learning in software development is enabling the creation of smarter and predictive applications. From data analysis to virtual assistants, these technologies are transforming the way we interact with softwares. Mobile app development. The evolution of mobile app development tools has simplified and accelerated the process of creating applications for mobile platforms. This has to lead an increase in the ability of the application in the richer user experience. Security and the DevSecOps. The growing concern the security has led the development of DevSecOps practice, integrating security throughout the software development life cycle. New tools are designed to identify and address vulnerability proactively. And the global collaborations also, technology has facilitated global collaboration in software development. Distributed teams can work efficiently through online collaboration platforms, enabling the participation of diverse and geographically dispersed talent. And finally, there are some conclusions about it. These findings demonstrate that technology is fundamentally transforming the way software development is approached, driving improvements in efficiency, quality, and responsive to changing market demands. The continued adoption of innovations will continue to be the key of the driver for the evolution of these dynamic fields. So this is the last part of my presentation. Thank you so much for viewing me, for appreciating the time I take to make it, and see you later.